Hey everybody, I'm Tommy.
And I'm Cambry.
Tonight we are at Hollywood Studios. We decided that we were going to come out and have a character dinner at Hollywood and Vine. They actually have mini seasonal Dine right now, and so we're going to go in, we're going to see some characters dressed up in their Halloween best, and that's why Candy K is sporting hers, of course. So we're going to meet some characters, have some food, and have a great in a Disney state of mind kind of night here at Hollywood Studios. Thank you. We've got our bread service here, salad, pretty standard to what we're going to see around Walt Disney World. We've got a soup section here with chicken noodle, vegetarian chili, and fruit. We're looking forward to trying some stuff here. There is some things that are pretty distinct to this location, so we're looking forward to giving some of this a try. Got the strip loin, and then of course Brie is going to go straight to the kids menu with the chicken nuggets because that's how she rolls. Got some desserts. That chocolate cake looks awesome. Peanut butter and jelly tart, creme brulee cheesecake, and then of course your soft serve ice cream. It's the Goof. Oh, he's stretching it out. He's getting ready. He's fixing to sign this thing so hard. Thank you, Goof. So our first character interaction was with Goofy. You can see him over my shoulder still. We love character meals for the interactions. They're always so much fun. They only get a few seconds with you each time as they come around, but they make the most of it. So we're looking forward to meeting the other characters. Goofy, all cowboyed out with the skull hands. The gloves were awesome. He stretched it out well, gave us some awesome autographs, some great pictures to start us off. All right, so we got our plates. I got the sirloin here. I got some tofu, which I've never actually had before. I've got some glazed pork, some mashed potatoes, and I also got some mushroom risotto, this right here. Now, it's really, really unfair because my bar for risotto is actually going to be Le Cellier. And I know this is not going to be Le Cellier risotto, but we can all hope. And so this is kind of where I started looking over at Carter's plate. He got some of the rice. He got corn dog nuggets because he loves some good corn dog nuggets. He got some risotto also, some mac and cheese.
I got these sour cream and chive mashed potatoes.
Got the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes, sirloin, all sorts of good stuff. And then over here, Denise got some roasted chicken. Obviously, got some of those olive oil smashed potatoes that were over there. Got all sorts of good stuff. She's going to get more of the vegetables than I am. And then Cammy K's already polished off her very first serving of chicken nuggets with some mac and cheese. And so there will be more to come. Hey, Minnie. You look awesome tonight, Minnie. Do you have any big Halloween plans with Mickey and the crew? Nice, having a party. I'm excited to see the new cartoon October 1st about Halloween. Did y'all have fun making it? Awesome. Nice. Thank you, Minnie. So Minnie Mouse just came by. Bree, what'd she do?
She asked for my name, and when she signed it, she did this.
That is awesome. To Cambry, love Minnie Mouse.
This is the best character interaction I've had so far.
All right, so the first thing that I want to do is I've got to try mushroom risotto. There it is. I love this stuff at Le Cellier. Okay, number one, not Le Cellier. Number 2, not bad. It's actually really good. I like it. The mashed potatoes are going to be standard. Anything you find at Walt Disney World buffet, mashed potatoes. I did actually get some of this glazed tofu here. Now, keep in mind, I've never, ever tried this before. And so I'm a little afraid. Honestly, if you were to ask me what it even is, I really don't know. I know that it's like a plant-based something that will take the flavor of, you know, whatever you put it with. So let's see what this might have been put with. Okay, it's weird because I think that I like it, but then it's a texture thing. And so, really interesting though, but I do think that I like it. I'm gonna probably go back and get some more of that because it actually, like, I just feel like I need to try it again to see. And then of course they had the roasted pork with the mustard sauce right there. It looked really, really good, so I'm excited about trying this. Got a good flavor. The mustard sauce is really nice. It's a little dry, but again, we're talking about a buffet and you're not coming here for 5-star dining. You're coming here for honestly decent food and some incredible character interactions. So far, so good. It's really good.
So far, my favorite thing has been the butternut squash, but not sure if you can see it, but it's already gone. It's already left my plate because I completely demolished it. That was probably the very first thing I ate, and I finished it as soon as I sat down and started eating it. I was like, oh my gosh, that's really, really good. So, you like squash? If you like, it kind of had like a sweet potato taste to it, so it was actually really, really good.
Okay, now it's my turn to talk about something that I like. And of course, I am talking about the lemon water. I'm just kidding. I mean the pork loin. It's really tender and it's got good flavor to it. But put it with this horseradish sauce, and it's even better.
Hey, Pluto. Your collar is amazing, and your name tag, that is so sweet. Decked out just for Halloween, huh? Your whiskers are so springy. Oh, look at them. Thank you so much. You have a happy Halloween. Eat lots of candy. Go trick-or-treating with Mickey. That's awesome. Get dog treats, though. Chocolate's bad for dogs. So, no chocolate. Maybe you have like a caramel, though. Maybe?
Caramel chew?
Yeah, that'll work. Milk bones. Bye-bye. All right, honest food review. You've eaten a corn dog nugget. Now, what's the best thing that you've eaten here?
I mean, it reminds me of Casey's Corner.
I love corn dog nuggets. It's the simplicity of the little things. Corn dog nuggets, tater
I
tots.
just need the plastic cheese to dip it in.
Yeah, if they had the plastic cheese like in Casey's Corner, this would 100% be my favorite thing here.
Put it over the top.
The thing is,
Over the top. Who needs prime rib?
yeah,
You got corn dog nuggets.
Bree decided to go back and get her a couple of more chicken nuggets because they were totally out. When she went the first time, she was able to get like 2 or 3. So she's finishing it up. I know that she said that she liked the risotto. However, she's got to go back to her first love.
Yeah, but also I'm kind of full, and I'm trying to save for ice cream.
Ice cream? Oh yeah, you got to savor it. Rich all over the place. Is there anything more beautifully simple than a mini corn dog from Walt Disney World? I bring you Exhibit A, a potato barrel from Walt Disney World. I don't know why. Not a massive tater tot person, but in Walt Disney World, they're awesome. And of course, you got to get mini corn dogs if you're in Disney World. You need to have Max here with you in the Powerline outfit. Like that would be, he could come with you. We could get family shots, eye to eye, everything. Work on the perfect cast, make it look like a dance. I mean, all the things, all the things. I had to go up there and get some desserts. I got a peanut butter and jelly tart. I got some of this chocolate cake, and I also got some carrot cake with cream cheese icing. I want to give this peanut butter and jelly tart a try to begin with. I really, really like peanut butter. It looks like maybe like strawberry jelly. And nope. Well, yeah, strawberry. I was hoping for grape. I love grape, but strawberry's not bad. So let's see. I'm gonna be honest. I really like that. I was not expecting that to be that good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not about to try the carrot cake, and now this is what I wanted the most. I'm actually a little afraid, and I might be disappointed with this after the peanut butter and jelly tart. Holy cow, that was good. Yeah, I should have completely done that in a different order. I think everything's going to be a disappointment now. I'm going to try the chocolate cake. The chocolate cake, what it has going for it is that it has pudding in the middle. It's got some whipped cream on top, and then all the dirt around it is Oreos, like real Oreos, O-R-E-O, right there on it. I mean, it's chocolate cake, but man, the peanut butter and jelly tart. It's so good. That's where it's out.
All right. Let's try this one. So it was peanut butter and jelly tart?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, can't get into it. I feel like I just ate an Uncrustable without the bread. Like the strawberry and peanut butter Uncrustables. It's interesting. I don't know if I like it or not, I'll be honest. I mean,
Liar.
that's what it tastes like to me, those like those little PB&Js. So
And that's why it's so good.
I don't know. I'll try it again. I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. You said this is regular cheesecake?
It's a cheesecake something. I'm pretty sure it's a cheesecake something.
That's good.
I didn't have any of that.
Well, it's just plain cheesecake. It's really good.
I'm gonna have to go back and get some.
Yeah. Like a little bit of cheesecake bite. And that's where it's at. There you go.
So I got some ice cream, the best part. And I made it all pretty. I made it Halloween-like. I wish I had Halloween sprinkles, but I'm going to try this. And either way, nothing will disappoint me with this.
Bye, Mickey.
Happy Halloween.
See you tonight at Fantasmic.
That's right. You got a costume change coming, don't you? So, I know what you thought about the tart, but the rest of the meal, what'd you think?
I mean, to be honest, I wasn't, I guess, expecting it to be anything great. I mean, looking at the menu, looking at what they had to offer, I just came in expecting, we're coming here for the characters mainly. I'm not really coming for the food. But it pleasantly surprised me. It was actually much better than I anticipated. I mean, I had a few things that they didn't have. The butternut squash was really good. The potatoes were really good. The roasted chicken was really good. So lots of things here actually really surprised me. So I would definitely say give it a try. Again, you are coming for the characters. You're not necessarily coming for the food. But again, it definitely surprised me, and do not get the peanut butter jelly tart.
All right, see, what do you think about the meal?
I was like Mama, I was pleasantly surprised. I think two of the things that I really enjoyed were the pork loin with the horseradish sauce and, the corn dog nuggets. You can't go wrong with those.
All right, Bree, what did you like about Minnie's seasonal dine?
I actually tried something that I didn't know that I liked, but I still like chicken more than it, so nothing beats chicken. But I forgot what it was called.
Risotto.
Yeah, risotto. It was the risotto I liked. To me, it tastes like Chinese food, which I love Chinese food. But nothing beats chicken to me. And one of my favorite parts was ice cream. This is my second bowl, so I like it.
What did you think about the characters?
I love their outfits. My favorite one was Minnie's. I love her hat. I love her dress, her shoes, and her tights. They're spider tights.
Like?
A witch, which is really cute.
Awesome. All right, I'm done. I am so incredibly full. Go back to the room, get in bed, take a nap, full. But of course, we're not through with the night yet. We have Fantastic in about an hour. So maybe I'll have it settled just enough that I don't fall asleep during Fantastic. But the food here, I really enjoyed it. It was good. Again, you come to these character meals for the characters. It just is what it is. Is there a better $65 meal in Disney World? Of course there is. You can go get a steak from Le Cellier for this price. But there's no characters at Le Cellier. And so the magic of these is being able to interact with the characters, be able to spend time with your family, get some good laughs in. You're usually not going to get that type of experience at a Le Cellier. You start laughing too loud in there, people are going to look at you weird. And so I definitely recommend coming. We've been here before for the regular Disney Junior breakfast. I'll actually link that video down in the description. But this is our first time for a mini seasonal dine. The characters were awesome. The costumes were great. The food was really good. And the peanut butter and jelly tart was awesome. Getting some good doggy hugs. Man, those whiskers are awesome. Oh, let's see, can he flip it? Can he flip it? Ah. Oh. He can do tricks. Oh, shaking hands. That's awesome. Oh, he can sit?
He can't roll over.
Ah. That's pretty, okay, but you can spin. That counts. Uh-oh, chasing his tail. Oh, have you ever caught it? No. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, now my screen's it's all gonna be slobbery now, but it's worth it. It was worth it. It's awesome. Yeah, I'll remember you forever for this. Y'all wanna get in for a picture? And with that, we are done. We had such a great time at Mini Seasonal Dine over here at Hollywood and Vine in Hollywood Studios. If you guys get a chance, you may want to swing by, check it out. Great characters, good food, lots of great laughs. So as always, if you guys see us in the parks, make sure you stop us and say hey. And until then, remember to keep living in a Disney state of mind. Bye, guys.